Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to download and install Creo 4.0 student version in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search PTC Creo student version download. Here you will find various searches. Select first one. This page will open. Just fill your details. I am filling here demo details. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com. Retype your email ID abc@gmail.com. Select your country. Here I am selecting India. Select here college or university student. Type your mobile number. Type the job title. I am typing here student. Then submit. The page will open. Here you will find the previous versions. Just select Creo 4.0. Then the PDF will open. Here you will find the instruction how to install the software. Also here you will find the download link and the licensing key. First of all, we are clicking on link. If such error found, just click to site. Now this page will open. So here we don't have the username and password. For that we have to create an education account. For that, click to create a new education account. This page will open. Fill the details. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com. Confirm email ID same as above. Parent email ID is not required, so leave it blank. Education program real world design challenge. Title college/university student. School, type your school name. State and province, select anyone. Then select your respective country. Type your password. Confirm your password. In security challenge, you have to select only the underlined numbers. So here is 3 2 8. Then create account. Now back to login page. Fill your details. Then login. This is the export agreement. Just you have to click the checkbox. Then continue. Select your respective version. Here I am selecting Creo 4.0. Click the HTTPS link. This window will pop up. Just save it. After that, the downloading will start it. After the download completion, go to respective folder, unzip the zip file using WinRAR. Before installing the software, you have to disable your antivirus to avoid installation failure. So search Windows Security, then open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. You will find Manage Setting. Turn off the real-time protection, Cloud Delivered Protection, Automatic Sample Solution, and the tamper protection. Go to unzip folder. You will find the setup file. Right click on it. Run as an administrator. The window will pop up. Select install new software. Click next. Now software license agreement. Just accept the software license agreement. Click the checkbox and click next. Here you have to fill the license key. For that you will find on this PDF. Just copy it or type the license key showing on a screen. Then click install licensing. This window will pop up. Here you have to fill the education account details, your username, usually email ID and password. Then click login. Now it's processing. Now it's success. Just click next. Here I am selecting only Creo Parametric and Creo Thumbnail Viewer because these two applications is sufficient for running this software. Just select it and click install. This will take pretty much time, so sit back and relax. Then click finish button. Before running the software, just restart your system. Now open your software. Now software is starting. No start working. Close this window. Now the software is successfully installed. Now we are testing the software by creating some models. If you want to learn how to create 3D models and assembly, so subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.